Alright, so I just got my hands on the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, and let me tell you, this thing feels fresh right out of the box. First up, the colors. Apple's giving us this super clean new finish silver, a deep blue, and this bold cosmic orange that honestly looks amazing in person. Though honestly, a matte black option here would have been amazing. The camera strip on the back has been slightly redesigned. It's still a bump, but it's more of a wide strip now, so it blends better. Up front, we are looking at the same 6.9-inch ProMotion OLED display, but slimmer bezels make it feel even more immersive. In the hand, despite the size, the weight balance is really good. Apple went with the aluminum again for the frame, so it feels lighter and smoother compared to last year's titanium. The front camera is getting a bit of a spotlight this year, literally. It's got this improved sensor that plays really well with the Apple's new center stage feature, which we have seen on iPads last year. Basically, while you're on the FaceTime or Zoom, it tracks you and keeps you in frame. I tried snapping a few selfies and video clips, and yeah, it's definitely sharper with better low light performance. Inside, Apple has added a new vapor chamber cooling system, and while we have to test it more with the gaming and long video shoots, it should mean better sustained performance without heating up like before. Now, price in India starts at around 1.5 lakh for the base Pro Max with 256 GB storage, which is right in line with what we have come to expect, but yeah, still a premium. Finally, cases. Apple's pushing new eco-friendly cases, and I already spotted a few of them at nearby stores. So if you're picking one up, accessories won't be a problem. So yeah, first impressions. Big display, new cooling, fun selfie upgrades, and that new strip design. I'll be testing this more in depth soon, but for now, it's shaping up to be another solid Pro Max. And these are the improvements from the previous gen Pro Max. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.